This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable the automatic screen lock in Manjaro Linux. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To disable your screen lock in Manjaro, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to my little Applications button. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings. And I'm going to go straight across to the right and up to where it says System Settings. And I'm going to click on System Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom to where you see the Security and Privacy area. And in that, right here, Screen Locking, click on Screen Locking. And then right up here, it gives you a few different options. Lock screen automatically, and by default it's probably set to 5 minutes. Below that, lock screen after waking from sleep, and below that there is a delay before password required. You could change that, but the very top thing, lock screen automatically, you can click this drop down, and if you want to disable it altogether, you would click on Never, and that automatically disables the bottom one here. And then this box right here, lock after screen waking from sleep. If you uncheck that, your screen won't lock after it goes to sleep. That is how to disable the screen lock in Manjaro Linux. Thanks for watching.